The siren test was successful. But however, I did not know that Illinois changed their siren test duration. It is now 30 seconds for the entire siren system. So, I'm going to shorten my chime. Well, I'm not going to shorten my chimes, but I'm going to shorten my siren tones down to 30 seconds. So it would match it. It would match a total of 30. And I could hear the sirens pretty well. Actually. Next siren test, which is July 2nd, when the Noto JKCT69420 plays Moon River, and the quarterfire does an attack tone, we will put it on the balcony this time. And if the siren ambience can still be heard, then we can put it on the balcony for a couple months. Then we'll return to the sign maybe one day. But let's see, we're just going to experiment next month in July when it plays Moon River and the siren, the quarterfire does an attack tone. Let's see how it goes.